Allow me to show you how to customize your lock screen in a Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. We can then move and select wallpaper and style. From there, select your lock screen. It's the one on the left usually, so just click on it like that, and then we'll be able to customize all of the things. So let's start from the top and then move to the bottom. We can select wallpaper, which will allow us to change wallpaper for our lock screen. So we can pick between featured one, the photos from your gallery, graphical and color options. Just plenty of them. Choose whichever one you like. In this case, I'm gonna go with this one. Next option that we can do is click on the clock right there, but wait until the wallpaper is actually loaded. Okay, it took some time, but additionally to the wallpaper change, we can add frames, effects, and etc. to even customize that wallpaper much more. So again, next thing is the clock right here. So we can click on the clock, and this will allow you to switch between different font and colors for your clock. You can even change the entire style or which information is additionally displayed next to your clock as well. So I'm gonna stick with the same thing that I already have. And also when it comes to the clock, if you click on it like that, then you can resize it and move it around the screen as well with some limitations. Okay, so we have that covered. Next is the add widgets. Now if you select that, you'll be able to add different widgets also on your lock screen. In this case, I'm gonna go for weather and the moon phase. You can add additional one like the voice recorder and etc. Just add how many widgets you want. You can remove them by clicking on the widgets and then the minus button next in the top right corner of each of them. And the last thing that we can do here is actually the same, but there's two things, but they are basically the same. You can see the plus button on the left and right side. You may as well see a different icon than the plus, but all you have to do is just click on it to add the shortcut to your lock screen. So for example, if you want to quickly open camera, you can go for camera. Then if you click on it and unlock your phone, it will launch camera. On the right one, you can do the same thing, for example, flashlight. Then you have your lock screen customized. All you have to do is click on done, which will save and apply those settings. And that is basically everything.